Hi guys, this is the Python series part 34. Now let's discuss about how to open the file using the with statement and how to read the content from the file using the read method, read line method and read lines method. Okay, first let's see this example. Here I have used the with statement. Okay. The with statement is useful in the case of manipulating the files. Okay, so what is the syntax? With is the keyword and open is the inbuilt method. Inside the round brackets we have to pass two parameters. Okay, the first parameter is what? The file name. The second one is the mode. Okay, and then the keyword and the file pointer object. Okay, and colon and then the indentation. So this indentation indicates that the block of code. Okay, we know already. Here I have used the write inbuilt method. We already discussed about this write inbuilt method. This is used to write the content into this file pointer object file because it holds the address of this file. So this statement will be written inside this file one. Okay, and this is our output message successfully updated. What is the usage of with statement? It is always suggestible to use the with statement in the case of files because if the break, return or exception occurs in the nested block of code, then it automatically closes the file. We don't need to write the close function explicitly. Got it? So what is the usage of with statement to open the file? The with statement does not let the file to corrupt. This is the main advantage. Okay. So what is the usage of with statement? I repeat it again. With statement does not let the file to corrupt. Okay. This is the advantage of using the with statement to open the file. Okay, there is no need to explicitly write the close function if we use the with statement to open the file. Okay, I hope you all understood about what is the usage of with statement to open the file. Okay, here let me execute this one. Successfully updated. Inside the D drive file 1. Here I have given the write mode. So, this content overridden the existing content. If this file is not present inside the D drive means this file is created and this content is written. Okay. But if the file is not present inside the D drive, what happens? This file is created and this content is written. Okay, if we open any file using the W mode means the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay, now I open the file. Here we got thank you and welcome. Okay, and read method. How to use the read method to read the content from the existing file. Here I have used the R mode. Okay, if we use the R mode means the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Am I correct? Here this is my file. Inside the D drive I have this file. Okay, here I have used the with statement. So now only we have discussed if you use the with statement there is no need to use the close method explicitly. Isn't it? So it does not let the file to corrupt. This is the advantage of with statement. Here I have used the read inbuilt method. Inside the read inbuilt method, I have passed the integer number. Okay. So, it indicates that the number of bytes to be read from the beginning of the file. Okay. It indicates the number of bytes to be read from the beginning of the file. This is the file pointer object. Okay. So, it holds this file. So, now with the help of this statement, I read the 5 bytes from the beginning of this file text file. Okay, and I want to check the data type of this variable. So I have used the type of method. Okay, type of cont returns the string only. Okay, that content will be printed on our console. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is our output. The type of content returns the string data type and the content from this file only up to 5 bytes. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and space 4 and this is the 5th byte. Got it? And read line method. Okay, this is also one of the inbuilt method to read the line from the specified file. Okay, so this is the file pointer object and read line method. So what is the difference between read and read line method? So read method returns the character. Okay, so if we give 5 means 5 characters we will get. But read line method returns the line from the specified file. So now let me execute this one. This is my output for this statement and this is my output for this statement. Okay, C1 is the first line from this file and C2 is the second line from this file. Got it? And if I want to read all the lines from the specified file, means what I will do? I can use the read lines method. If I use this inbuilt method, I can read all the content from the specified file. That's it. Okay, let me execute this. Here, this is my file content, but it returns the list object. Okay, so if you want to check the data type of the C1, you use the type of inbuilt method, type of C1. Okay, let me execute the same again. So type of C1 is list. Okay, these are all the lines from this specified file. /n, that is, it indicates this is the new line. It indicates this is the third line. Okay, and this is the fourth line, this is the fifth line. Okay, and if I want to read all the content using the read method, is it possible? Possible. How? You didn't, if we don't mention any integer value inside the read, means we will get all the content from the specified file. Okay, if you specify the number of bytes here, means the specified number of characters only you will get. If you don't specify the number, means you will get all the content from the specified file. Okay, now I delete this integer value. I execute the same again. Here I got all the content from the specified file. Got it? We have completed the read method, read line method and read lines method, and how to open the file using the with statement. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.